Let's go to Vegas, baby. Hey everyone! So I haven't packed since Florida, which was November of 2021. And it's March 2022, and it's another break. And I'm going on vacation with my family again. I've changed because I used to be a bang girl. That sounds so bad. Like, isn't that like the song name? Like, bang? No, it's like bang bang. Yeah. I now drink Celsius only. Yeah, it's just a lot more preppier, a lot more healthier. Makes me stay lean, healthy, fit, skinny. I don't even know. I'm drinking Celsius now. It's grapefruit. It's bomb AF. Yeah! Try not the headbang challenge. Sorry, this was just such a weird intro, but y'all already know who I am. And I'm going to Vegas for spring break with my family. So we're gonna just pack up. Okay, wait, actually let me get into like the details of the trip. Okay, so I have a small suitcase because we're only staying there for 4 days. We're leaving tomorrow, which is Sunday, and then we should get there around like nighttime or something. So I will have to have an outfit for that. Duh. Monday we're there, and then Monday night we're gonna go to Topgolf, and then Tuesday we're gonna go take a train to the Grand Canyon, which is in Arizona. So, you know, we're gonna go to different states all in the same day. You know what I mean? It's gonna be crazy. And then Wednesday we have another full day in Las Vegas. I don't know what our plan is exactly. And then Thursday is when we leave Las Vegas. So I should be home on Thursday night or something around there, and then I'm gonna start editing these Las Vegas vlogs. I have so many, like, oh my god, so many travel vlogs that are coming soon. Like, besides doing Las Vegas, I already booked this hotel for a college that I'm deciding on, so you know, that's super exciting. Like, this April is gonna be such a fun month for you guys. So I was looking at my analytics of my channel, and it says that most of you guys aren't subscribed, and honestly, my travel content and just like my content in general is gonna only go up from here. You know, like, it's gonna go up, you know what I mean? So make sure you hit that subscribe button, you know, that red huge button, hit it, because I need more engagement and I love making content for you guys. So first thing we're gonna start out with, like, my extra shirts and pajama shirt. So I'm just gonna show off each one because in-depth packing with me. Okay, so first one is this cropped SASU shirt. This is, if it's gonna be like really hot, I feel like this would be a good shirt to wear at night. And then also, it's just a cute shirt to work out in because I plan to still get those gains when I'm on vacation. Vacay, don't stop, grind never stops. Had to get the Minecraft fit, you know what I mean? Like, vibes. Another one, Minecraft, vibes like a boss. Another SJSU, like, this is not me committing, so please don't assume that. I just have a whole family that went to SDSU, so I just have a lot of merch. I pooped today. Woo! Okay, the SDSU ones are kind of like cool, calm, and collected to wear at the gym. So, you know, I'm probably gonna wear those at the gym so I don't look like psycho. I'm gonna roll them all up and I'm gonna pack them in this side because this has like the little poles, and I kind of just want to fill this space up first, you know? Time-lapse time. Next is gonna be jeans and shorts. But first, Celsius, please sponsor me. This is the weather in Las Vegas this week. It's honestly not that hot, which is like surprising. 80s, 70s, kind of the vibes. You know, I'm gonna bring a lot of pants and then shorts too, just in case like it's really hot or it's like kind of cold, I don't know. So I'm bringing these pairs of jeans. I'm also bringing these pair of jeans. They're both from Shein. Also, I just want to say, I know I haven't been buying stuff from Shein. It's not really the fact that, like, the ethical thing, because a lot of brands that are affordable use fast fashion, you know what I mean? Which is really sad and it, like, sucks. But it's more just the consumerism for me personally. Like, when I go on Shein and I buy something, I normally just, like, I buy so many, like, pieces of clothing in my, like, cart and everything, and then I'm not able to really appreciate it as much as I do with, like, clothes I buy in store at, like, another store, you know, because I only bought, like, one piece that day. While like Shein, it's like all one order, 13 pieces, which I guess is like kind of nice. I don't know, it's like pros and cons. That's really why I haven't been buying stuff from Shein. Some of their pieces are just like not good quality. Like their jeans are actually really good. Like shout out to their jeans because they make my ass look fat AF. Pieces like just seem very much cheap. And it's like my opinion. I don't know. Take that with like a grain of salt. Like if you don't have the same opinion as me, I don't know what to do about that. Like I don't know. And then we got some white pants too from Shein. So I have the same pair of these because these ones have paint on them, as you can see right there. Yeah, there's paint on there. And the other ones are stained with strawberries. So, you know, like I'm just not vibing with my white pants right now. And my shorts, all of these are from PacSun. I love PacSun shorts for sure. Jeans, Shein. Shorts, PacSun. First off, I have these mom shorts and I also have another pair of mom shorts. I literally wore these pair of mom shorts 3 years ago when I went to Las Vegas. Surprised that they still fit me, but they do because I'm so scared. And then today I also went to the mall and I bought some new shorts finally. I have like literally all just mom shorts from like 2019 and then I just haven't changed it. So I finally got some new shorts. They're like regular, just like cut. I don't know. They don't go up. I think that's a good thing. It is. I'm a minor. And lastly, these shorts. They're a little bit different from the other one that I just put in here. Lots of shorts and jeans. Will I be wearing all of them? Probably not. Next thing is my everyday tops. So first one, we're starting off very light, flowy, dainty with this Hollister, just like white shirt. Okay, it gets worse progressively. And then next, this orange, like bright neon orange tank top. It's like Grand Canyon vibes, you know. And then next, we have this pink, kind of a little bit revealing, but you know, still covers up. And it's just like a basic pink, baby pink pattern, you know. And then we got something a little bit more risque with the pattern too, you know, kind of a scandalous pattern. It's like a cheetah, zebra. This is zebra pattern, and it's like silk. Definitely like a night top outfit, you know, like Las Vegas me during day is gonna be totally different from me during night. Okay, and then this one, I've never worn this before, but like I actually finally found an outfit for this. And it's freaking cool. And there's also this like little tie in front, which I don't know if I'll do just because it doesn't really look good on me. But yeah, I'm gonna wear this at Topgolf, which will also be at night. So, you know, these night tops are getting a little crazy. Then I'm full on it out on Las Vegas night, Las Vegas Strip. Catch me in this Urban Outfitters corset top. I love this top. It's so pretty. I'm so, okay, because I was gonna get the black one, but that one was a little, it was way too risque for me, you know, because I'm still 17. But this is fine, you know what I mean? Vibes. Honestly, go check out my Instagram because I'm going to be slaying in this top soon. And you guys are all going to be like in shock. Next, we're going to start with skirts and dresses. So as you know, I stated that I'm going to go to Topgolf. And if I'm golfing, I got to wear a cute golf outfit. So I'm finally going to wear this white tennis skirt. I have this brown little dress from PacSun. It's just like basic, and I'm totally gonna take pictures in this too. Like I have so many picture ideas. I'm hyped AF for it. And lastly, I'm finally gonna take pictures in this black dress I have. It is long sleeve, but I think it should be fine, especially if I wear it at night. And then it like rouges in the butt area, the gluteus maximus area. Shut up. Next is swimsuits. So there is a pool at the hotel I'm staying at, which is the Stratosphere, but I think it's only for like 21 and up, which is so I mean, I actually don't know. But yeah, I'm still gonna bring 2 pairs of swimsuits just in case. So first I'm bringing this like kind of not as cheeky as the second one, but the first one is just this like tropical print yellow, and it's from Shein. Just like a basic swimsuit, you know, practical swimsuit. And then this one I got from Shop RL recently, and it's like a more fun marbled, you know, kind of pattern. And then the top is a lot more revealing. Also the bottoms are like kind of cheeky, but like I can tie this top in a really cute way. As I said earlier in this video, I plan to still work out. Hopefully I can, and like I have time. I'm pretty sure the Stratosphere has a gym to their hotel guests. So first I'm bringing these Lululemon leggings, and then I'm also gonna bring these pair of leggings that I got from Amazon, and then that's it. And then I'm also bringing these cheer Spanx to work out in, and then also I'm gonna bring Nike Pros underneath all my like dresses and skirts. And then I'm just gonna bring one sports bra because it doesn't really matter. Bring this black sports bra from Nike. Next thing is pajama pants. So I have these one pair of long pajama pants, which I'm gonna bring with me. And then I also have this pajama short from Brandy Melville. And then there's another one that I have, which is like a light green one. I just don't know where it is. So yeah, I'm gonna pack those three though. And obviously I'm gonna pack underwear and a bra, but I don't need to show you that. But I will be packing a lot of underwear because I am always on the constant fear that I will be shitting myself in public and I'll have to have a new pair of underwear. So yeah, probably packing like double the amount I need. Tomorrow, what I'm gonna wear on the road trip is I'm gonna wear this white tank top from Brandy Melville. And then I'm also gonna wear these sweats from Brandy Melville. Maybe I might take my pajama pants out then because those sweatpants kind of are pajama pants. See, I'm being so smart. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna bring these anymore. And then also I'm gonna pack my curling iron, and then there's this little pocket in my suitcase, and I'm gonna put all my like hair accessories, I guess. I have these sunglasses. I literally don't know where any of my other sunglasses. They might be in my car. Okay, I need to go check my car. Come with me.
What are those?
Literally, look where I found these sunglasses. In the deep, dark depths of crevices in my car. Holy, these are my favorite pair too. Why am I so stupid? Okay, so I found another pair of sunglasses in my car. Now I'm gonna pack these 4 scrunchies, and then I'm also gonna pack like a bunch of hair ties too. And also these 2 hair claws. And I'm putting this all in my cheer bag now. So I have my bag, and then I also have my hotel. I have my bag, and then I also have my suitcase. And now we're gonna pack up this. The thing is, I'm gonna put my makeup bag in there, I think. Unless I have room in my suitcase. I'm not gonna put my makeup in there yet because I'm gonna do my makeup like just do something light before I leave to go to Las Vegas. And then next, I just finished my book called The Summer I Turned Pretty. I literally saw a TikTok about this and like how it's turning into a series, and I just like loved the aesthetic of it. It takes place in like a Cape Cod town in summer, which is just, I love that aesthetic. And I love this book. Like, it was really just like, it was just nice and refreshing. It's definitely like teenage romance, sometimes a little cringy, but like I live on that, you know what I mean? So like, shout out to her. She also made To All the Boys I've Ever Loved Before. Yeah, go check her books out. And then I just got these 2 new books, part of this series. So this is the first one, and then this is the second book, and then this is the 3rd book in the timeline. And hopefully I can finish these 2 books. I feel like I could because I'm a boss reader. So I'm gonna pack these 2 in my bag. Then I'm also gonna pack these Sour Patch Kids that I never ate from Valentine's Day. When I get my jewelry sent from Ana Luisa, I get these like cute little packages for each little item. Which I think it just comes with any order, like if you were to even buy it. And I am gonna put all my necklaces in this big one, and then I'm gonna put my bracelets in this one, and then my rings in here. So I'm having some Ana Luisa jewelry, and then also some jewelry from Brandy Melville. And one last, let me close this. This is like, Bossy, why don't you stop bothering me? One last thing is, so since I'm not flying with the plane, me and my family are just gonna be taking our car. We don't need to worry about like liquid sizes, like fluid liquids. So like we can bring whatever we want. So I'm bringing this whole bottle of perfume and this lotion. And then I'm also bringing heat protective spray and hairspray. So yeah, because I know at the airports, you have like 0.5 ounces of like each liquid. Now I just need to make my suitcase look cute for my thumbnail. And I'm pretty much like packed. That's about it. And also for shoes, I'm gonna bring my Air Forces while we go on the road trip, and then I'm gonna bring my black Doc Martens, and then also some flip-flops if I do end up going to the pool. And then yeah, that's like about it. I'm like done packing already. So I'm gonna start recording my Las Vegas trip starting tomorrow when I leave. And you guys definitely need to like stay in tune for that. So make sure you subscribe And also turn your post notifications on so you get notified when that video comes out. It's gonna be lit, crazy movie. So, if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you could leave a like, comment down below when was the last time you went on vacation and where was it. I love going on vacation. It gives you a chance to just like take back and like reflect. Saying, but it is very like relaxing. Like it's so nice. And then like at the end of your vacation, you're like, where did all the time go? I mean, I love that song too. Where'd all the time go? Hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.